Oh my god, it's so shaky. Oh please, don't fall in the water. Don't fall in the water. Don't fall. Oh my god, I gotta hold this shit. Wow, just look how beautiful that is. It's like looking into a lens, into another world. I think I'll bring more plants home. But I don't know the next time I'll go to the river. And the next time I go to the river, the plants might be dead because of the cold. But what I'm trying to catch on camera is one of those little shrimp looking things, those isopods. But you could see in here, this is a very successful little ecosystem I got. Like, yeah, look at all this algae. Like, there's lots of algae growing. Plus, look at all these baby snails. And they're just the baby snails, man. There's big snails in here. There's big snail. Look at this dude. What's he up to? What's this little snail doing? Huh? What's this dude doing? Look at him. Oh, you can't see shit. Alright, whatever. But just look at it, man. It's awesome. Don't you think? Whoa, what is that? Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna make this a YouTube video. Wow, check that out. That's so cool. You see the snail? Oh my god, I see the snail. Wow, look at how fast they move. Holy. They move fast. They're really not fast. You see the baby snail? Oh my god. Never mind, that's not a baby snail. That's a little piece of duckweed. Huh, whatever. Oh my god, the water's cold. Look at that's a snail right there. Look at that. What the fuck? Man, that's fucking crazy. It's eating off of the surface of the water. Look at it, it's floating. Look, you could see the foot of the snail. You could see the mouth. That's kind of cool. It's just eating off the surface of the water. And it's just floating there because it's a bladder snail. Anyways, that's the end of the video.